Users who stupidly download PC games on Android, iOS and YouTube. Smartphone and tablet users are becoming less and less aware than the usual, including the social networks as YouTube. If you don't know what this video is about, I leave the link of the related article. This video will tell you several steps of an example of why there are users who can't read in the description of the videos with download links, the requirements necessary for a software type to a good work, and go over it, downloading by error Windows Mac software on a mobile tablet from Android iOS. 1. When they enter in the YouTube app. The user has entered the YouTube app and wants to see a video of a game. 2. Find the video in the search. Find the video of the game he wants to download, in this example Minecraft. 3. After entering on the game download video. This is when the user starts to take out their instinct of mistake and stupidity. It happens when they have seen the video, it has seemed cool without having seen the details of what makes a game for PC Mac, like mouse cursors and windows, and they go directly to the download links. 4. They completely ignore the warnings and OS requirements necessary to the well use of the software, caused by hurry or didn't knowing how to read them. After liking the video without having understood the details, they go to the description, the links of the software download, and before doing so, there are warning and requirement of OS for a good functioning of the software. There are videos that put the warning in a more demanding and detailed so that they don't enter the links on the wrong devices, or if the user didn't know how to read the specific language, Spanish or English, and came from a country like for example Malaysia, and he was wrong, the channel that realized it translates it into on their official Malay language. But all these practices seem to be useless for the most illiterate and reluctant users of reading. They don't even leave it for later and go to take their Windows or Mac computer in their house or their laptop from their travel, and then return in the same video to download the software or from the search engine. So because of their ignorance, they enter on the links equally. In the example of Minecraft also happens that by not having read the available operating systems, believing that it's the Pocket Edition, but the truth it's the Java or the Windows 10 edition. 5. Consequence of downloading a PC Mac software in a phone tablet from Android iOS. As explained in the related article, Windows programs are in Xcoding and Android programs in APK, and a APK operating system isn't compatible with X programs, so because of their ignorance, this happened after the download. Also, not even made a YouTube account were made to comment on why the program doesn't work on their phone tablet. And the worst is that they can even send the link they found to the Facebook, Messenger or WhatsApp so that they made the same mistake as them. Conclusion. Today, the 80% of YouTube visualizations go to smartphones and tablets. It may be the most comfortable practice to watch the videos, but it's very bad for developers of freeware for PC Mac to see in the analytics of devices. There are days that haven't seen nobody from a computer, which means a maximum probability of someone making the big mistake of entering a software link for PC Mac on an Android iOS device or even smart TV, and not becoming available. Watching a video isn't the bad thing. What is bad is the before mentioned. Recommended solution. The solution would be something similar when we make translations of the description of the videos. Make descriptions for web version, which usually uses Windows or Mac, and mobile version, which usually uses Android or iOS. It would be special for videos with download links, since in the same way the great majority of these cases would be reduced.